Meaning of disputable.
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 Disputable. The word disputable refers to something that is open to argument or debate, meaning that there is no clear consensus on a particular issue. When something is disputable, it means that there are differing opinions, beliefs, or ideas about it, and that these opinions may be conflicting or contested. The result of something being disputable is that any decision or conclusion made regarding it may be challenged or questioned by those who hold opposing views or interpretations. Therefore, when dealing with disputable issues, it is important to consider all perspectives and evidence before making a final decision.